DIY tinting. First, I am going to shampoo, then I am going to scrub my eyebrows to remove dirt, oils, and debris. I'm going to wipe that off. Use my Morphe brow pencil to go ahead and outline my brows. Then I'm going to brush that up with the spoolie. I already have my tint mix, so I'm applying my henna tint. I'm using Brow Code Tint Henna tint capsules with rose water, and I am using, I think this is a Morphe brush, to go ahead and apply that. So I like to outline my brows with the tint, then I fill it in as if I'm using a pencil, and I apply it, and I let the first layer dry. I make sure I clean it up with a cotton swab, using my rose water to loosen that henna tint up. 20 minutes later, and yeah, this is how I DIY tinting my brows. It lasts me 7 days, and yeah, it's cute.